Welcome, wonderful dreamers. I grew up afraid of birds, especially magpies. We are still learning to trust each other. I'm just checking to see if there is still food, and there is. They can always find fresh water here and the occasional treat of dry mealworms, but only sparingly. I don't want them dependent on me, just a safe place to land during their travels. And in exchange, they help with pest control in the garden, and are hopefully a little less likely to swoop people walking past during breeding season. The currawong has joined. This could be interesting. Magpies are territorial and they do intimidate the bigger birds. Good choice. Oh, there is always a relative close by, most likely the partner. I love how they walk, or should I say strut. Like crows and ravens, the Australian magpie has a strong memory and can recognize human faces and decide who's naughty or nice. And I love how they can have a really white beak. This one has such a small black tip. It looks all white, which is very cool. I have also learned that to be able to tell the male from the female, you look at the back of the neck, which is called the nape. Males have a bright, clean white nape. Females usually have gray or malt gray white on the nape. Most of the time, they have a really beautiful song to sing, but they can make themselves known. Which is your favorite Australian animal? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you had a good day.